Hey, you already know. It's your boy, your uncle, Bo, Chaos Bo. And I'm here because I'm hungry. And you knew. Y'all knew that. You knew that. You. But check it out. I wanted to try Subway's foot-long nachos Doritos, and I didn't know you had to get them online. So my stomach is kind of upset right now because he really wanted to eat those nachos. But I still went to Subway. I got a foot long, and I got one of their dippers. So we got the merchie. We gonna try it out and see what they do. You know. All right, we parked in the safe place so somebody can't see me devour this food. But all right, let's see what we got. We'll start with the dipper. I ain't never had one of these dippers. Send this out the way. Sauce. Yeah, we got the pepperoni dipper. So just pepperoni and cheese, tortilla wrapped up, flatbread, whatever. Pretty good. That's like a little pizza stick. We're gonna try it with some Southwest Chipotle sauce. Move on to that sandwich. I got oven roasted chicken, rotisserie style chicken, sorry. Onions, bell peppers, jalapenos, pickles with a little ranch, and banana pepper. Don't forget the banana pepper, salt and pepper on there. A little bacon on there too. And spinach. That's how I do mine, spinach instead of lettuce. It was right on time. And we're gonna wash it down with a Ghost, y'all. Shout out to Ghost. Love them. Great